Welcome to Theory Becomes Reality, Episode 1. We're going to talk about mnemonic, just kidding. It's mnemonic devices, the M silent, for the grand staff. I'm going to help you remember what each space note and what each line note in both the treble and the bass clef mean, using some clever phrases. Some you've heard before, but I'm going to extend it both ways because we know that there is a world outside of the staff, both below and above. So for the treble clef, you know that we've always said face, F-A-C-E, but we have places below and above. So we're going to go one space below, two spaces above. So instead of just saying boring old face, no, we're going to say that face, G, bruh. So you think of a face that your younger sibling makes that's just kind of weird or out there, and just remember that. This is D below, the space below on the treble clef. Then you got the space above is G. The space above that is bruh for B. Okay? So let's talk about the lines. We're going to start on middle C. So just to hip you on some vernacular, some terminology if you're not aware, cuz doesn't mean because. I put it in parentheses down here. It means cousin. So, you know, we say every gummy bear deserves fudge, right? But we have a world above and we have a world below. So we're going to start with middle C, and we're going to say cuz every gummy bear deserves fudge. I-co. So the I-co is the A above the staff on the treble clef. Above that, we have a C, which is cool. Okay, so moving right along, we're going to go down to the bass clef. So we know that we have always said all cows eat grass, starting with the bottom space. But, again, we have a world above and below, and we want to make it a little hip and cool, right? So, we're going to say, for real, all cows eat grass, bruh. Dig, fam? So, dig means, do you understand? Fam is just a way of saying family or friend. So, we have below here, the space below is F. Then you have your A for all, and it goes along. Again, for real, all cows eat grass, bruh. Dig, fam? I just enjoy saying that. That's why I said it again. So, moving right along to the last example. We know that we've always said in lessons, good burritos don't fall apart, right? But we have a world above and below. So we're going to say, extra good burritos don't fall apart, cuz eat. So we have the E down here. It looks like a middle C, but it's the bass clef. So this is a low E on the piano. Then we have G, B, D, F, A. And we have cuz again for cousin, the slang, no main. And then we have this line above. This is middle C right here because of the bass clef, which is eat. So remember this. Watch this video and try to remember this. When you're playing Staff Wars this week, keep this in mind. I want you to keep this beside you, or you can't keep it beside you. When you get a copy of this, I'll give you a copy of this. Keep it beside you the first few times you play Staff Wars, and then try and do it without. The whole goal here is to have a little bit of fun and help you learn where your notes are, both on the page and on the piano. So have fun with this, and I'll see you at your next lesson.